Tonight we are doing pancake burgers. Yes, pancake burgers, Bob. On the Z Grill.
Yeah, I think IHOP's gonna pay us for this recipe because they should have it on the menu.
That would be nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Basement.
All right, here we are. First thing we gotta do is prepare the bacon. We're gonna put it on this wire rack and then stick it right on the Z Grill and then crank the Z Grill up to 400 degrees and let it cook that way. We're not even gonna bother to put it in a pan or a griddle. 8 pieces on the wire rack. I think that's good enough. What do you think?
Should we, yeah, we can throw some on the top rack.
Yeah, I don't have another wire rack though.
I think we just throw them on there. So
All right, see what happens. All right, let's do it.
I think it'll work. All right, go ahead and put that there.
So I'll stick that there.
We can probably get four or five slices up there.
It'll help season the pan underneath.
Yeah, it'll drip.
So this is the new griddle that is designed for several of the Z Grills, pellet grills. But this is gonna be nice for us to do the eggs and the pancakes on right here in the grill.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's crank her up. So we're going straight to 400, yes?
So high as 400.
I believe so. All right, so while that bacon goes, I think it's gonna take what, 20, 30 minutes?
Yeah, it takes about 22. If it's a little thicker, a little longer, possibly.
And since we're starting it fresh, before this has reached 400, it's gonna take a little bit longer.
So over under on the time, I'm gonna go 26.
26? Siri, set a timer for 26 minutes. All right, we'll see in a bit. So let's make the pancake batter.
All right, we're gonna go 3 cups, got a half cup measure.
The 1 cup measure is in the bag of dog food, unfortunately.
Where it should be, right?
The water's been pre-measured. We'll see if it actually turns out right.
Nice.
Perfect.
Now taste your seltzer, see if it's good. All right, we're good, water. Crusties is my favorite, like I had mentioned in the pre-meeting.
Well, you should have told me before we ordered supplies.
I didn't think about that. And the key to good pancakes is not to over-mix. You want lumps and let it sit for 5 minutes. You want to see some holes in the top, from what I understand. So we want to see some holes, and then it's good to go.
Okay.
I've failed many times making pancakes.
Yeah, me too.
That's why I go to Crusties.
That's why I wanted you to do it, because I've always
So they may be watery and runny.
Should we do the burgers now?
Yes. So you want a quarter or half pounder?
I was thinking quarters, but what do you think?
Probably half pound.
All right, let's do it. Can't go wrong with more, right?
Right. I don't know, how many we need to make?
6 or more if you want to take some home. I think I like this, man. You think you can come to my house every night for dinner and I just stand here and watch you?
Just gotta feed my family.
And comment? Before you stack them, shall we salt and pepper?
Yes.
Shall we go with our new old faithful diamond crystal?
You tell us, how's it been treating your family?
I like it. Because you definitely get more coverage without over salting.
So have you tried it when you're eating like food, just put that salt on and taste it without?
I have, it's delicious. It doesn't over salt. Thanks to MOG once again for telling us to use this.
What's MOG stand for?
Mother of games? I have no clue.
Mother of God. You idiot. Looking good. Yeah, let's put them on.
All right. All right, let's see how many we can squeeze in here. And they're gonna get the bacon grease dripping onto them. Man, they're gonna be delicious, at least half of them.
Man, those are fat burgers, boy.
Yeah, look at that. We're gonna fit all of them at once.
All right.
Good job, Z Grill. And these 3 will get some bacon grease as well, so we're good.
So we want our pancakes to be about the exact same size?
Yep, not too big. We don't want it like overflowing over the burger.
Right.
Even a tad smaller would be okay. Bacon's looking pretty good already, I must say, right?
Yeah, I've never smoked bacon. I'm excited. Got to take a picture from my home screen on my phone for the whole next couple of days.
Send it to your dad, man.
I will.
You might like it.
So next step is, the only thing we're missing is the pancakes, then we do the bacon, or the eggs.
Okay.
Or let's stick some of that bacon on the griddle, season it.
That's a good point.
We can always move it. Man, Z Grill.
It's a great idea.
So I buy the pre-cooked from Costco, and my father told me it's sacrilegious. So this is the real way.
I tend to agree.
Yeah. It's so easy. I don't know, 6 strips, 1 minute in the microwave, it comes out. It's very thin, but.
Man, I am salivating right now.
Yeah, now let me take a picture.
This is looking quite beautiful. You want to take a picture or what? Can I close it?
Yeah, I got it, yeah, sorry. My wife's at the grocery. And this is Weber as well.
That is Weber.
Is this also from Ace?
No, I bought that from Weber.com when I got my first sear wood, like, oh man, I got to get everything Weber.
Yeah, it's nice.
But I'm liking the Z Grill. It's a nice little gadget here.
It is. I had one.
In 5 years, I'm gonna get another one, man. They're gonna send it to me for free.
Yeah, that is good. It's like the iPhone for life, you don't have to pay.
Yeah, I mean,
Z Grill for life.
it's a pretty good deal. And next episode with Z Grill, we'll swap out that controller with the Wi-Fi controller that we have.
So wait, if I
Wait,
buy
let me rephrase that. You will swap it out. I will stand around and watch.
Donnie's gonna swap it out. But if I buy a Z Grill, how many times do I get a new one?
Every 5 years for 50 years.
Seriously?
Yeah.
50?
10, 50 years.
So we can't beat that.
At least the rest of your life, yes.
You're not joking.
No.
Strange.
Yeah.
So, but a lot of people,
RecTech, are you listening?
but a lot of people won't do it. So,
Yeah, exactly.
right, that's where they get the money.
Weber, are you listening? Bacon's starting to look good. We've got a few more minutes, I think, on the upper racks.
So we're definitely way over 26 minutes.
Yeah, way over 26. The ones on the griddle need to be flipped, I think. Little stickage there.
The good thing is now we're really seasoning the griddle. Why am I salivating?
Because it's bacon, that's why.
So on my Blackstone, normally I do fill the whole thing with bacon, then I do my pancakes. And when I do that, the kids and the wife are like, what did you do this time? And all it is Crusties and water, or Crusties and milk, and a little bit of vanilla.
I love that the burgers are getting bacon grease dripping on.
Yeah, I like that. It smells super money.
I'm salivating like
Me too. I had a very small lunch. These nice forever tongs are so gentle. My God, I'm hungry.
That is looking good.
God damn. All right, should we pour some pancakes?
I think so.
That's not a perfect circle, but
That's all right. Are they gonna be big enough for these giant burgers though?
I don't know.
They look too small.
Where's that one's decent.
That one's perfect. Oh yeah, bacon grease, pancakes. They might be super thick.
No, that's good. Let's shutter. Smoke this pancake, son. Never thought I'd say that.
I know.
Yeah, we be grilling.
You loving the Z Grill?
A little hard to get back there. They look perfect though, dang
That's
it.
a good job, dude.
Yeah, you gotta be quick with the, once you see the bubbles, like this one's about to go.
You're talented with that fish
This is
spatula.
Victorinox. I bought one at Restaurant Depot. It's just a white handle. Gonna have to go left-handed.
Uh-oh.
A little early, but okay.
We're getting close. It's time to put the cheese, Bob, your favorite.
Deli Deluxe American.
Deli Deluxe.
Man, they're looking good.
Looks fantastic.
I've never smoked burgers, dude.
No?
No. I'm impressed.
We did smash burgers for so long that some of these new ones,
Yeah, they're,
I mean, you can't go wrong with smash burgers, that's for sure.
yeah, I think we're good on the bacon too. I'm pretty impressed, actually. All right, use your one hand like you do with breakfast in the morning.
I actually don't know how to do that.
You don't?
No,
You've been to hibachi, right?
I have, but see, I got a shell in there.
It's because you didn't use one hand. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, that thing's hot as hell, dude.
Don't hurt yourself.
No, I'm good. Oh God, I got a shell.
That was terrible.
I got 2 shells.
Your spread out all over the place.
I'm sorry, you know it. You might have cracked a yolk, son.
Oh boy, nope. Yolk's good.
I'm gonna get right here. Yep. Hibachi, son.
Perfect.
I've watched this dudes at the Japanese restaurants.
Good to go. Look at you. That was impressive.
Oh, I broke
Oh! I said it was impressive.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Very disappointed in you.
Yeah. I will now lick raw egg to punish myself.
I mean, that's for protein, you know?
I mean, Rocky used to put it in the blender, remember, and drink it straight. I tried it once, did not feel good.
Tastes good either. I mean, this is pretty versatile, I must say. We'll leave
I
that
normally
to
put a
this.
little water and then
I do that too.
the lid of a pan,
But in here, there should be plenty of heat in there.
you would think.
So you don't need to steam them, you know? How do you cook your eggs? Flip them?
Okay, here, Donnie. Don't up. So when you worked at IHOP, you didn't flip the eggs?
I wish I worked at IHOP.
No over easies? So in the whole time, we've had it on high, right?
Yeah. I think it's time to bring all of them off. That's not
Oh
gonna
my
break
God.
because it's overcooked.
Yeah,
But that's okay.
we gotta pull.
Oh man,
That one's perfect.
this is gonna be beautiful. All right, here we go. It looks amazing. We've got a lot of the burgers in the oven on warm, but we got this one ready to go, so it's time to form.
Let's do it.
Looks amazing. We got double cheese on there, which is beautiful. One bacon cut in half or 2 pieces?
2 pieces.
2 pieces crosswise?
Mm-hmm.
Might as well, right? Oh my gosh, looks amazing. An egg?
An egg. Smoked egg.
Smoked egg. I'm gonna smash it. Cut it in half.
Good runnage.
Whew. Oh, it held together nicely. Let's take a look. Oh, that is perfect.
Yeah, that is. Look at that smoke ring.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Cheers.
Wow. Cheers.
Pancake burger. Yeah. Why doesn't IHOP have these?
I'm floored. This might be the best, richest, smokiest, most bacony burger I've had.
I can barely get my mouth on it, but wow.
Hold on. Don't finish it. Remember, I have a surprise.
Oh, I thought the bacon pan was a surprise.
So I ordered this special spring tree pure maple syrup, and I added it to this, and I put a bunch of habanero peppers.
Oh,
in there.
nice. Okay. Beautiful.
So this is a habanero, very spicy syrup for our breakfast burger
Perfect.
and our pancakes. This is either gonna be really good or really dangerous. I'm
Okay.
not sure which one yet. We're about to find out.
Hit me. Really good. With a little heat.
Yeah, the spice comes a little bit later. I'm gonna add a little more. You want some more?
Hit on all 3 sides.
Oh my God.
I don't know why this isn't a thing.
It is now.
Yeah, this is amazing.
That is super good on there, actually. The heat kicks in kind of at the end,
This is the way.
not immediately. This might be the best burger I've ever had.
I'd prefer this over the expensive buns at the store.
Guys, you gotta try this. I'm telling you, infuse your syrup with habanero peppers. It's super good. It's not overly hot. It's got just the right kick at the end.
I'm gonna take a piece of that.
Oh, you better be careful, dude.
I'm gonna burn it. I immediately feel the heat.
That's dangerous.
I love hot.
As do I.
I think the maple syrup took a lot out of it.
Okay, I'm gonna do the same.
If anything, it's great.
If you can handle it, I can handle it.
Yeah, not bad at all. Man, what have we been doing with our life?
Not this, but from now on, this.
Z Grill showed us the way.
You gotta give Zero credit on this.
Yes. Cheers. Welcome to the future. We're gonna open a burger truck locally.
Very successful cook. Highly recommend you try it. Thanks for hanging out.
Cheers. Man.
Super good, right?
Yeah, it's incredible.
And this is good too.
Yeah, that's super bomb. We need to put more habaneros.
Yeah, more habaneros next
So
time.
was that 2 cut in half or? It's hitting.